if someone's in crypto and they only have like, $1,000, I'm never going to be like, you know what? It's a great idea. Bitcoin. I would never say that to them.
Let's talk about the millionaires and the billionaires. One, chat. Should billionaires exist? It's a hot button topic. Interested to know what you guys think. Half the world's crypto millionaires hold fortunes in Bitcoin. Nearly half of the world's 88,000 crypto millionaires hold wealth in Bitcoin. Now, these are just crypto millionaires. Folks, did you know that there's more millionaires in the world than there are Bitcoin that will ever be created? Think about that. There's not enough Bitcoin for every millionaire to own one. In fact, there's barely enough Bitcoin for every millionaire to own half of one. So just something to think about. I think there's, as inflation and money machines just go, and sure, maybe we'll have ebbs and flows of the economy. I see a trend of more and more millionaires being created daily, not less. So just something to think about in the long term here. This trend is underscoring the enduring allure of Bitcoin despite the rise of numerous competitors. Crypto millionaires are big on Bitcoin here. Revealed at 182 centi millionaires. These are people with 100 million or more. 78 are Bitcoin investors. So, we're looking at a little bit less than half there. The global market value of crypto stands at about 1.2 trillion. This demonstrates the significant impact of the digital asset class. With 425 million individual worldwide owning cryptocurrencies, it's clear that this isn't a passing trend, but a seismic shift in investment behavior. 425 million is going to be less than 10%. I would say that's probably accurate. Anytime I see a number, it's like 40% of people own Bitcoin. You're like, that's not true. That's just not accurate. Then you say, well, what is the source of this? It's like Coinbase email and people who answered it. I'm like, all right, well, come on now.
Yeah.
Like, no.
It's not a good sample size.
Not a good sample size.
I'm actually surprised that there's not more of them. That I kind of get it, because I would always say for people that have really large crypto bags, it's probably better to hold Bitcoin because it's not as volatile as the rest of the crypto market. If someone's in crypto and they only have like, $1,000, I'm never going to be like, you know what? It's a great idea. Bitcoin. I would never say that to them because it's going to take so many billions of dollars have to go into the market cap for your 1,000 to become 2,000. But in the case where you're a millionaire or a multimillionaire, Bitcoin's probably a much safer bet, is why I'm surprised not more of them actually hold Bitcoin. But there's also the idea that they already made it. Like, why are they going to roll the dice or take chances? Yeah. And I don't know. There's probably
at a certain point you go to making wealth to preserving wealth.
Exactly.
And then if you're preserve wealth, do you want to get into that volatile asset class? Maybe not. Let's see. We have over 1,000 people watching, but only 200 some odd likes. Guys, hit that like button. Let's get up to 33%. All right. Let's look at this report. 6 billionaire crypto traders earn their fortunes from Bitcoin. So there's 40,000 crypto millionaires in the world holding Bitcoin. We kind of looked at that number with 182 with over 100 million. 78 of those have some Bitcoin. In addition, 6 of the 22 crypto traders who hold more than $1 billion amass their fortunes from trading Bitcoin. That is pretty huge right there, folks. So a lot of people, we got Barry Silbert, then we got the Winklevi, we got CZ, we got Brian Armstrong, and then we got Michael Saylor. So we got the crypto chads there. Wait a minute, we got one. Here's the fun story, though. The richest people in every state. First person to type in a state. I'm kind of hidden by the poll right there. Type in your state. We're going to look at your billionaire. Now, look, some states don't actually have a billionaire. Some states you can have 90 billion and still not be the richest person. Bill Gates isn't the richest person in Washington State. Do you know who it is?
In Washington State would be Jeff Bezos.
It is Jeff Bezos. So Jeff Bezos, so Bill Gates, not even the richest person in the state. But if you go to if you go to Alaska, you don't even have to have $1 billion to be the richest person there. All right, so it looks like the first one was North Carolina. It's a guy in Cary, North Carolina. I want to say was it lumber or something like that? Yeah, we got this guy right here. He's in Cary, North Carolina. So if you're wondering, whoa, I didn't mean to zoom where the sun was. Let's see. All right, here we go. Here we have the states. All right, you said North Carolina, number one. North Carolina, the richest guy, James Goodnight. And he got it from software. He has 9.3. I think Utah came in after that. Is it Mitt Romney? Is it Mitt Romney? No, it's not Mitt Romney. It's Gail Miller. Whoa, she got it from car dealerships.
Yeah, shout out to Susan Alphon from Maine. Made it on shoes.
She made it from shoes.
She put her soul into it,
She really laced up and was ready to tackle the day. Shoes for the 77-year-old Susan Alfond. So yeah, pretty cool list if you want to check that out. Nebraska, of course, we have Warren Buffett over there, 117 million. I believe California has to be Texas is Elon Musk, right? Elon is in Austin
Elon's
now.
230. I think it said.
Yep, there we see Elon Musk, 230. Jeff Bezos, 149. A lot of money. Wyoming.
A lot of money.
Wyoming. I didn't even know it existed. That guy's worth $40 billion. All right. And then, like I said, Alaska, if we pull up Alaska, you can see right here, Anchorage, Alaska, doesn't even have a 1. He's not even in the 2 comma club, folks.
Wow.
You could be in the 1 comma club and make it there. No, sorry. No, the 2, not the 3. Yeah, you could be in the 2, not the 3.
Shout out to, Dan, Bubba, and Trudy Cathy.
Oh, yeah, this.
Here in Atlanta, Georgia, $11 billion for Chick-fil-A. Thank you. Thank you. And I bet they don't do anything on Sundays.
Hey, probably not. Yeah, so we got the Chick-fil-A family.
That's
you know
cool.
what? I'm happy about Georgia representing with Chick-fil-A.
Yeah.
Chick-fil-A money.
That's bars. That's bars. Yeah.
Yeah. Now, when people, if you had $200 billion in cash sitting in a bank, maybe, yeah, you could probably do some cool things with that money. But a lot of these people, I think, is just going to be equity in their company. And then the equity in their company is valued at that. I don't know how much cash the Chick-fil-A people have, but, they probably have still privately held. So I'm assuming they hold like a high percentage of that ownership shares there.
They have to.
So, all right, the billionaires. All right, so should billionaires exist? So we got basically 4 to 5. So 4 out of 5 people say yes. 1 out of 5 people say no. Over 260 votes there. So
they should. Right. I mean, what my take is 1,000% they should exist. What's your take?
Yeah.
Okay. I was about to say, why would, I mean, that's the goal, right? Like, there's always more. If you become a millionaire, some people are like, okay, I'm just going to retire. And some people have that drive. Like, you know what? I want to keep going and make as much money as possible. I don't think that's immoral to make that much money. I think that should be a goal. Like, shouldn't we all, I don't know.
Yeah, look, if you own a company and supply demand economics mean people will willing to pay you X amount of money for your company, yeah, you should be worth that much. Always the one of the first female billionaires self-made is the Spanx founder. And I think she was famously like paying herself almost nothing. All her equity is tied up in her company. And so if you didn't want billionaires to exist, you would come in to the Spank founder's office and you just take half her company. That doesn't seem right to me.
No.
Doesn't seem right at all.
Yeah, not at all.
Yeah.